You are happy to be in your pink bubble. But within your pink bubble, there's a whole jungle to be explored. Trees to climb. And you notice now that your limbs are longer, more agile, and easy to grip the trees. You can climb. Your body is built to climb and swing through the trees. Your eyes seem more perceptive. You can see all the wildlife around you, all the beauty of nature, and you feel more connected with it. And you bring this peace into your furry body. It makes you feel good. You feel like you're the master of your domain, because you have nothing to worry about beyond finding food and shelter. That's all you have to do. That and have fun climbing trees, swinging from them, and enjoying yourself in your chimpanzee life. And it feels good to be this free and connected to your primal self. It feels good to be climbing endlessly. It feels good to be connected to the tree that you hold on to the ground beneath you, to know true peace when you walk into nature. Because you know nothing else but this. True peace of the climbing of trees and being a chimp. It's a beautiful life. You are noble amongst chimps. You are at peace. You are happy here. And whenever you think about your pink bubble, you will be brought to this state of happiness. You will be able to use it even when you're not in a trance state. Just imagine your pink bubble. And you'll be able to connect with this feeling of oneness with nature. You'll be able to connect with your inner primal urges. It's a beautiful thing. So I want you to envision now what your jungle looks like. Is it wet and raining? Or is it dry? Are the trees new? Or are they old and you've climbed them for years and you know every inch of this jungle? Or are there new places for you to explore every time you come to this place. I personally like the idea of there being new places to explore. So why don't you let yourself just explore new places? Go down a path. Take a new tree. Climb to the very top. That's it. Climb. Good. Now look out and survey all that you see, and let it fill you with joy. And know that each time you do this, you will see a new spot, and your bubble will get so big and so filled. You will be the happiest chimp ever. Now, I'm going to bring you back up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.